Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start Unit 16 Quadrilateral. So let's start. Look at the above pictures. These are some examples of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is one word, but you can see that red part is quadri and blue part is lateral. Quadri basically means four and lateral means sides. If you observe, all these things have four sides. This is an example of a quadrilateral. To name the quadrilateral, we give names to these 4 points, that is A, B, C and D. These are 4 vertices. And the quadrilateral will always have 4 vertices A, B, C and D. Now, a quadrilateral always has 4 sides: side AB, side BC, AD and AB. These are 4 sides of a quadrilateral and 4 vertices. There is another important property of quadrilateral. Consider this table. The surface of this table is flat. It's a plane surface. If I draw a quadrilateral on a table, it will look something like this. If you look at the quadrilateral closely, you can see that all the vertices and sides of the quadrilateral lie on one plane. So a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices and is a closed figure lying on one plane. Observe that a vertex is formed when 2 sides meet at a point. And what is formed between those sides is called an angle. A quadrilateral is also defined by its angles. It has 4 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C and D, and it is marked by red color. But how do we name the angles? How can we name this green angle? Angle A. We just name the angle based on the vertex at which it is formed, or we can name it as angle DAB or angle BAD. In these 2 cases, we named it based on the sides. Similarly, this angle can be called angle ABC, angle BCD, then angle DAC or ADC. And here's the last basic concept which you need to know in this quadrilateral is vertices A and C are opposite to each other and vertices B and D are opposite to each other. The lines joining the opposite vertices are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. So we can say a quadrilateral is having 2 diagonals. AC and BD are 2 diagonals, right? What are its practical application of diagonals? When you watch this TV on a 17-inch laptop, what do you think is 17 inches? How can you find that 17 inches? Even when you watch TV series on a 51-inch TV, so diagonally you can measure it, its diagonal, that is 51 inch. A quadrilateral is a closed figure on one plane which has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. So we can say a quadrilateral is having 4 sides, and in a quadrilateral 4 vertices are there, 4 sides are there, and 4 angles are there. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.